This Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat, we are having that sharing of culture and all these things, but now we could share only the social distance, I think. We could share only the social distance, and then I think I am visible to you. I am not wearing my mask fully, so it doesn't mean that we are not following social distance. Rather, we are keen enough to have a very good interaction and intimate interaction with you people from Daman and Diu. So this is a great session. Again, we are exploring possibilities for having another interaction with you. For this session, I welcome all the participants, including our teachers, and at this juncture, I will hand over the session to our State Project Director, who will give the inaugural address.
Good evening, one and all. I think I would like to know who are all the people present from Diu Daman. I would like to know the participants from Diu Daman. Who are all the people available from Diu Daman? Diu Daman से who are all the officials ज्वाइन हुआ है. मैं सबको नमस्कार कहता हूं और सबको इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए अनुरोध देता हूं. Anybody from Diu Daman? Yeah, they can unmute and they can speak. Who are all the participating from Diu Daman?
Hello sir, good afternoon. I am Sheikh Taslima Hussain. Before 2 years we visited Puducherry. I am the assistant teacher in Government High Secondary School Diu. Pleased to meet you sir.
Yeah, pleased to meet you ma'am. कैसे है मैडम Diu Daman में?
अच्छा है, आप भी विजिट करें. हमारा
कोविड कैसा है मैडम?
बहुत अच्छा है. आप कोविड भी बहुत अच्छा है. बहुत कुछ उसने कम कर दिया है.
ओके मैडम. यहाँ पर तो केसेस बढ़ रहा है, इसलिए मैं पूछ रहा हूँ क्योंकि हमारे टीचर्स, हमारे बीआरटीज को भी कुछ टीचर्स को कोविड पॉजिटिव आया था, इसलिए मैं पूछ रहा हूँ मैडम.
The same thing happened here also sir.
Okay.
And I am glad that you are speaking in Hindi in Puducherry.
Yeah, because I worked in Rajasthan, मैं हिंदी अच्छी तरह बात कर सकता हूँ मैडम.
अरे वाह, very good sir.
Yeah, I think who are all other officials participating from that side, madam? May I know the people to unmute yourself and introduce yourself. That will be better.
Yes, myself Grishma Shah sir.
Hi ma'am.
Samagra Shiksha. I have visited last year.
Okay. Great to see you, ma'am.
Okay, nice to see you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other officials?
Myself, Arvind Kumar Solanki, Assistant Coordinator, Samagra Shiksha.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Any other?
सर मेरा नाम विजय है, विजय बटवाना, और मैं 2 साल पहले पौंडीचेरी विजिट करने के लिए आया था.
या सर. या सर, अभी 2 साल के पहले और अब तक कुछ ज्यादा फर्क नहीं है, सेम ही है. मेरे ख्याल से आप फिर एक बार आइए सर, इस बार अगर कोविड का मोड़ तो जरूर आ जाइए.
कोविड में भी आने के लिए तैयार है सर.
या सर.
सर मेरा नाम चौहान कौशिका है. मैं टीचर हूँ और 2 साल पहले हम साथ में आए थे विजय सर तस्लीमा शेखपुर में पुदुचेरी की विजिट के लिए.
Yeah, happy to see you ma'am. Anybody? Yeah, I think with this small introduction, I'm happy to have this interaction of teachers from Pondicherry and teachers from Diu Daman to interact with each other on culture and other issues. Why? Because as this was one of the important initiative from our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, for this Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat to have a unified India. I hope all the participants who are from Diu Daman as well as who are from Puducherry will participate actively so that we can create one India-ness in among the students as well as teachers also. Because now due to COVID, it may not be possible for the people of Diu Daman or the people of Pondicherry to visit the other states. So that through this electronic media or through this ICT, we could able to exchange our views, and there may be some video presentations can be done on the culture and society of Diu Daman as well as Puducherry itself, so that we can tell the people that our interaction as well as our cooperation is going on. I hope this will create a good positive impact on both the states together, because this program is especially monitored by the Prime Minister of India office itself. So I request all the officials from UT of Puducherry as well as the people from Diu Daman also to have this weekly interactions so that our understanding will better improve. And I think in each 1 week session, we can have half an hour for Puducherry and half an hour for Dayudaman, so that whatever the videos that we can present it based on the culture and based on the language and based on the whatever the topics or tourist space or geographical this thing, anything, they can exchange themselves, and that we can make it a record and we can present to the office, so that our understanding between the two states will increase enough. Because this Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat pairing of states has been, I think date has been extended till 21. I think we need to be the pairing state till the further communication from MHRD. And I request all the officials to have this interaction, go ahead on every weekly basis, so that half an hour can dealt by the one state and another half an hour can be dealt by the other state, and present with their geographical as well as cultural as well as language aspects for better understanding. And here from Samagra Shiksha UT of Puducherry, we have our BRTs who are actively working on so many aspects, like academic inspection, academic introspection, and quality initiatives like Back to Basics, DEAL program. And we have a very good achievement in connection to the learning outcomes activities that we are taking out of learning outcomes. As 2021, I think we are expected to have a NAS examination, that is National Achievement Survey, which has a huge impact on educational sector. I request all both the two states, that is UT of Puducherry as well as the Dayudaman, benefit from the mutual exchange of knowledge they have, so that will create a better place of living or so. So this basically, this interactive program on weekly basis is meant for the exchange of ideas and exchange of the learning outcomes, the best practices that we practice in the state, so that this interaction will benefit both the states in terms of achieving better result in NAS as well as in the socially as well as culturally also. And I hope the coming days, let us all benefit from the mutual exchange of ideas. Now I will request our Sharonan sir, who is the coordinator for Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat, that Shankar Pandian sir will be presenting on the profile of Pondicherry.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am very much pleased to welcome you all to the France of South India, Puducherry. Since it is a former French colony settled in the 18th century and still has the French connection of law in its lifelike culture, tradition, architect, formerly known as Puducherry. It gained its significance of the French Riviera of the East. After the advent of the French colonization in India, Puducherry in the Tamil interpretation of new village. I mean new, Pudu means new, Cherry means village, and Puduko, it is also called as Puduko, it means port town. And since Vedas, Mandaras are developed in the district of Puducherry, it was called as Vedapuri. And next, I am going to explain about the geography of Puducherry. The Union Territory of Puducherry consists of 4 enclaves: Puducherry, Karaikal, Yanam and Mahe. The main settlement of Puducherry is situated on the Bay of Bengal. It is 197 kilometers southeast of Chennai. Karaikal is in Tanjore, Mahe is in pocket of Kerala, and Yanam is in East Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh. Next, I am going to tell about the official languages of Puducherry. The languages spoken in UT of Puducherry are Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, French, and English. Accordingly to Tamil Official Language Act, state that Tamil is the language to be used for all or any official purpose in the Union Territory, while Malayalam and Telugu may be used in Mahe and Yanam respectively. The Act also stipulates usage of English for official purpose. And I am going to discuss about the unique festival of Puducherry. There are three unique festivals are in Puducherry. One is de facto transfer day. It was celebrated in 1st November 1954. De facto transfer day. It means liberation day of Puducherry. And the next de jure transfer day. It means independent day. Puducherry got independent on 16th August 1962. And then finally, Magani Festival. Magani Festival is celebrated in Karaikal. It is one of the famous festival. It is celebrated. It's unique to Puducherry UT, celebrated in the month of July in the district of Kerala in memory of Karaikal Ammaya, a Shivan devotee. And well-known personality. Now I am going to discuss about well-known personalities from Puducherry. First, you all know, definitely you all know, this picture tells Sri Aurobindo Ghosh. Sri Aurobindo Ghosh was born in Calcutta. He came to Puducherry in 1910. He was yogi. He made a synthesis of the various yoga principles and called them the integral yoga. He founded the ashramam in 1926, and it is one of the most sought after by the Westerners and the affluent today. Next, I am going to tell about Subramanya Bharatiya. Subramanya Bharatiya is a social reformer, a famous Tamil poet, may have been for Puducherry, but this coastal town was very much a part of the poet. He became the sought refuge in French governed Puducherry to evade possible arrest from the British. After he took after the Indian magazine. He wrote more poetry for women empowerment and his properties. In the 29th years of his life, the decade he spent in Puducherry was the most productive and perhaps what made him happiness as a poet. The poet best creation were created here only. Next, I am going to pass on to Subramanya Bharatidasan. Bharatidasan, a disciple of Bharatiyar, was born in Puducherry. His original name is Kanaga Subbarathinam. He was very much influenced by the Bharatiyar that he changed his name as Bharatidasan. He also contributed his works to the women empowerment. The government of Puducherry has adopted the song of invocation to Mother Tamil written by him as the state song of Puducherry. Next, Mira Alfaz is the mother, is called as a mother in Aurobindo Ashramam. In Matri Mandir also, we can see her. Mira Alfaza, a French by birth, arrived Puducherry in 1920, influenced by the principle of Aurobindo. She was the sole guide of the ashram. After the death of Aurobindo in 1950, till her death in 1973, she was fondly called as the mother by all. Next, I am going to discuss about the visiting place or tourist place of Puducherry. First of all, I am going to tell about Mahatma Gandhi statue. See, this is Mahatma Gandhi statue, which stand on the front of the beach, all of 13 feet tall. It is surrounded by carved monolithic pillar built by the famous sculptor Roy Chowdhury from Madras School of Art and Craft. Next one is Bharati Park. The striking white eye mandapam stand out in the lush green surrounding in the park. Earlier, the park was used as a parade ground. The huge trees cast their shade on the path away, soothing the walker for the blazing sun. The high mandapam is situated at the center of the park with the four paths coinciding there. Next, Botanical Garden. Botanical Garden was laid out in 1826 in the French style. Colorful flowers, bread, trimmed trees, stone-lined path, and many fountains. The garden was filled with exotic plants brought from the French from all over the world. The garden hosts around 1,500 species of plant and is one of the best botanical garden in South India. Next, Puducherry Museum. It is situated near the government park. The museum has a good sculpture, gallery, and a section of archaeological finds from the Roman settlement of Arikemedu. There is also a French section charting the history of the colony. The objects include the four-poster bed in which Dubex is believed to have slept. There is also a superb collection of snail shells from the Puducherry region. Next, I am going to tell about beach. Promenade is lovely beach within bike range from the city center in the north is a pleasant surprise. Within 1.5 kilometer long promenade, this is the most delightful part of the city. A stroll, sunbath, or a swim enhance the quality of experience. Next, Usteri Lake. Usteri Lake is located towards north at a distance of 10 km from Puducherry town. The wetland covers an area of about 390 hectares, lies in both Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, with a wide range of aquatic species and is mainly a bird sanctuary. The vegetation range from small herbs to trees, which support migratory birds as well as native birds during summer and in winter. The government of Puducherry is proposing to set up Usteri National Park in the region, acquiring land from neighboring villages. Next we are going to see about temples. Manakula Vinayagar Temple. Manakula Vinayagar Temple was built 300 years ago, dedicated to the popular god Ganesha. People in large number come here to worship and pray. Next, Chunnambar Boat House, and here we will go for boating and coming. It is one of the fantastic place to see. There we can see the sea and the lake is joined together. Next, Arbindo Ashramam. Arbindo Ashramam is very, very peaceful place. If you are going inside, we have to maintain silence there. And Arikemedu. Arikemedu, I already told before. And then next temple is the Sacred Heart of Jesus. This is one of the best temple for Bezla work. And Matri Mandir. Matri Mandir is situated in Arbindo, Auroville. Inside the Matri Mandir, we can meditate. It will give a fantastic feeling for us. It is one of the spiritual place of Arbindo and Mother. Next, official symbols of, next I am going to tell, this is one of the important one, that is official symbol of Puducherry. Puducherry, the state bird is Asian quail, and state animal is Indian palm squirrel, and snake flower is Nagalinga flower. It is also called as cannon ball flowers. And snake state tree is bale or wooden apple tree. Next, I am going to discuss about the Puducherry population. In Puducherry, there are males of 6.13 lakhs, whereas females are 6.35 lakhs. Overall population in Puducherry is 12.48 lakhs. And literary rates, coming to education, literary rates in Puducherry, males 91.23%, females 79.83%, and overall is 85.44%. And next to Puducherry is an area and a population about 300 kilometers south of Chennai and about 135 kilometers from Puducherry on the east coast. Karaikal is located. Karaikal is called as Temple City. Temple City. And it is surrounded by Nagapattinam and Tiruvarur districts of Tamil Nadu. Karaikal region is fed by river Kaveri, so there is agriculture is more popular in that area. And then next tourist spot, some of the tourist spots in Karaikal is beach, Our Lady Angel Church, the Barishwara Temple. It is called as Saniswara Temple. And Karaikal Ammayar Temple, it is one of the famous temple and the big mosque. And then next, the population in Karaikal. Population in Karaikal is male is 1.11 lakhs, 1.16 lakhs, and overall is 2.27 lakhs. And then males 92.37%, female 82.02%, overall 87.07%. In Karaikal, we will follow Tamil Nadu State Board and their Navodaya Vidyalaya, also Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya is there. They are following CBSE Board, Central Board of Secondary Education. That is only one school. And next, we are going to another district, that is MAHE. Correct. Mahe. Also known as Mayari. It is also known as Mayari. It is situated on the exterior of Mayari River and Arabian Sea. It is 630 kilometers away from Puducherry. It has 9 square kilometers. It is situated 58 kilometers from Kozhikode and 24 kilometers from Kannur in Kerala state. It is one of the busiest trade state. It is surrounded by North Malabar or Kerala state, and it is the smallest district of India by size. And then some tourist spots in Mahe are Tagore Park, Teresa Shrine, Bhagavati Temple, Riverside Walk, and again beach. And then the population, coming to population, 41,816 person, its overall population. In that, 19,143 males and 22,673 females. Literacy rate. Concerning with literacy rate, 97.87%, highest literacy rate in UT of Puducherry. Male 98.63%, female 97.25%. It follows Kerala State Board of Education. Next, Yanam, UT of Puducherry. Yanam is situated in 870 kilometers away from Puducherry. Consists of Yanam town, one town and 6 villages. It has 30 square kilometers located in eastern coastal of Indian Peninsula. It follows Andhra Pradesh Board of Education. Enclaves with northeastern Andhra Pradesh. Tourist spots in Yanam, Shivam Bath, Glass House, Grand Mosque, Beach, Saint Anne Catholic Church. And finally, yes, it's already described. And then next, in Yanam, 55,626 persons are there. In that population, concerning with the population, male population is 27,309 and females are 28,325. And then literary rate, male 82.75% and females are 76.37%. Totally 79.47%. Literacy rate of it is overall literacy rate of Puducherry. Male is boys is 91.26% and girls is 80.67% and overall is 85.85% in the Puducherry. Schooling, and now we are going to see about the schoolings in Puducherry. There are 4 categories of schooling is there. One is primary and another one is upper primary. So, and upper primary. And then secondary, higher secondary. Primary 1 to 5, upper primary 6 to 8, secondary 9 to 10, higher secondary +1 and +2. Administration. Next, we are going to see the administration in primary. Primary school, it administrated by the Director of School Education. It was constantly monitored by Deputy Inspector of School. In Puducherry, I am concerning with Puducherry, 5 zones are there: Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 3, Zone 5. And next, administration. I am just telling about the overall administration in Directorate of School Education. There will be joint director. He will undertake higher secondary, 6th to 12th standard. Next, CEO. He is called as Chief Education Officer or Deputy Director of Puducherry. 6th to 2, they will concern about 6th to 10th standard. And then next, Chief Education Officer, Karaikal, CEO, 6th to 10th standard. And then next, Chief Educational Officer, Mahe, 6th to 10th standard. And then delegate to DSE, Yanam, 6th to 10th standard. This is the administration. If we I think this is the intro of Puducherry. I can't tell Puducherry in half an hour or 1 hour. One day is not enough. One night is not enough. Even 1 month is not enough for telling about the Puducherry. Thank you. Is there any suggestion, clarification? Please ask me in the group. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Secretary.
Good afternoon.
Vanakkam, sir. Raman, sir, vanakkam.
Vanakkam.
Is it audible?
Yes, sir. Vanakkam, sir. Vanakkam.
Okay. Okay. Good afternoon to one and all. Now we are presenting our video on Rangotsav. We celebrated in the month of January. It shows the glimpses of what was the program we conducted in Rangotsav. Just watch for 15 to 16 minutes. Afterwards, we can discuss about whatever the queries you are having. Thank you.
ஆகிய சான்கள் பொதுமக்கள் பார்வைக்காக காட்சிப்படுத்தப்பட்டுள்ளன. மேலும் ஸ்ரீ அரபிந்தோ சொசைட்டி, அசிம் பிரேம்ஜி ஃபவுண்டேஷன், பிரதம் ஃபவுண்டேஷன், அன்னப்பிரதக்ஷனா, பிடி வாக்குகள் விழா, மழலை பாடல்கள், கதை சொல்லுதல், மெல்லிசை, இசை அறிவியல், ஆகியவற்றில் செயல்கள், பேச்சு போட்டி, பட்டிமன்றம், தற்காப்பு கலைகள், சிலம்பாட்டம், பொம்மலாட்டம், இசையமைப்பு அடங்குவது, பாரம்பரிய உடை அடங்குவது, இசை நிகழ்ச்சி, நாட்டுப்புற நடனம் ஆகிய கலை நிகழ்ச்சிகள் நாளை அரங்கேறுகின்றன. புதுச்சேரி அரசு பள்ளிக்கல்வி இயக்ககத்தில் சமதர சிக்ஷா சார்பில் இனிய தொடர்பு சிறப்பித்துக் கொண்டிருக்கும் ஆட்டம் அழைக்கின்றோம். கலையை சிறப்பாக நிகழ்த்தி காட்டிய மாணவ மாணவிகளுக்கு நன்றி. இந்த கலையானது
அனைவருக்கும் என் இனிய காலை வணக்கம். என் பெயர் ஆர் சசிகுமார். நான் இப்போது உங்களுக்கு ஒரு கதை கூற போகிறேன். என்ன, என் கதையை கேட்க நீங்கள் எல்லாம் தயாராக சொல்கிறேன், கேளுங்கள். ஒரு பெரிய காட்டில் பாம்பொன்று மண்ணை கிளறி உணவை தேடிக்கொண்டிருந்தது. அப்போது அங்கே ஒரு அணில் வந்தது. பார்த்தக்கா, இந்த காட்டில் ஒரு கொடிய பாம்பொன்று உள்ளது. உணவு தேடும் போது அதன் கண்ணில் பட்டு விடாதீர்கள், ஜாக்கிரதை என்று எச்சரி தன் கொஞ்சமாக பார்த்து வழி அலறியது. தாமிடம் எனக்கு வலிக்கிறது என்று சொன்ன.
வணக்கம். ஓ போடுங்க மாமா. எங்க இல்லையே, ஒண்ணு இல்ல, நீங்க உங்க பிள்ளைங்க தான் பண்றாங்க. நல்லா சத்தமா. அது ஓகே. இப்ப பாருங்க, கலை நிகழ்ச்சியில முதலாவது வந்திருக்காங்க பாருங்க. எவ்வளவு பெரிய ஆர்டிஸ்ட் பாருங்க. இவங்க வந்து வோக்கல் மியூசிக் பாட போறாங்க. அவங்க பாட போறாங்க. எஸ் கௌஷிகா ஜவஹர் பால்பவன் புதுச்சேரி. அவங்க ஒரு பாட்டு பாட போறாங்க. அவங்க ஊக்குவிக்க மாதிரி கை தட்டுக்குமா பண்ணுங்க.
அன்புலம் கொண்ட அம்மாவுக்கு மகள் எழுதும் கடிதம். அன்புலம் கொண்ட அம்மாவுக்கு மகள் எழுதும் கடிதம். ஏதோ நானும் இருக்கிறேன், உருப்படியா படிக்கிறேன். ஏதோ நானும் இருக்கிறேன், பள்ளிக்கூட சரணுன்னு சொன்னாரு. வாங்கி கொடுத்த சட்டக்காரி பழைய சட்டத்தை
கலையை சிறப்பாக நிகழ்த்தி காட்டிய மாணவ மாணவிகளுக்கு நன்றி.
வருகவே வருகவே வணங்கி பாடுகின்றேன். வருகவே வருகவே
என்னும் நக்கீரர் வாக்கு கிணங்க தீர்ப்பை கூறும் என் நண்பான நடுவர் அவர்களுக்கு என் பணிவான வணக்கம். இந்திய திருநாட்டிற்கும் பின் அரணாக உலகத்தார் மாணவன்
ஊருக்கே பாடுபட்டு சோரெல்லாம் போட்ட கூட்டம் கண்ணு முன்னே காயப்பட்டு.
Very nice presentation, sir.
Very nice, sir.
Thank you, Damandev team.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it audible?
Yes, audible. You are audible, sir.
Yeah. If you have any queries, please you can ask. Next week it is Damandayu turn. So you have to present your anything about your profile or about your presentation, about your culture, anything you can present. Next week is your turn.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Any queries regarding today's profile or anything?
Oh, no, sir.
No, sir,
Already
it's
we
very
have
nice, sir,
visited
program.
all the
Okay, sir.
places.
Okay, sir. Now our ADPC sir, Mr. Ramakrishnan, will give some not vote of thanks, but about Puducherry.
Hello, everybody. From Damandayu. Our SPD spoke well in Hindi, but we people, we can understand somewhat, but we cannot speak. Suddenly, I have turned into a khichdi. You may be knowing khichdi in Hindi, isn't it? So if at all you don't have any breakfast or something, it will be very easy to make a khichdi and give. So like that, I came here for some other purpose. Immediately, Saravanan wanted me to talk to you. So I love to talk. That is Saravanan's intention. I love to talk because since we are teachers, we are always we love to talk. So it is not difficult for us to talk. It is very difficult for us to stop. Okay. So this is as I told you in the earlier, it is a sharing of culture. Now it has been a great innovation and great revolution that the sharing of culture can be done without seeing each other. So we are far away, kilometers together, 1,000, 2,000 kilometers we are apart, but still we are able to share our ideas, our culture, and to make almost being their experience between us. So these videos, what we have shown you, actually Damandayu and as well as Pondicherry are unique in certain aspects. So Pondicherry is French India. They are Portuguese. So both of us are not British India. So that is another important relation between we both. So actually it is having its own good impact on us. In Pondicherry, they used to say, Britishers have developed a separate education, a dormant education, a less quality, low quality education for Indians when comparing to Britishers. But in case of France, French India, they have developed an education for colony which is more in quality than of French themselves. So people who want to get through a baccalaureate, which we call another one degree in French education, it will be better for them to complete it here because it will be having in Pondicherry, if they qualify, it will be having more quality than if they qualify it in Paris. So likewise, certain important, there are some smaller differences between British India and Portuguese India and as well as French India, but those differences are remarkable and they are pivotal also. So like that, we can share plenty of many unique things between us, so that we have got a lot of inputs about Damandayu, how the situations are there, how your city is there, everything our Saravanan sir and most of them are used to narrate. I missed the chance to come there. So if possible, if COVID permits, we will come there again and we can enjoy Damandayu there. So all the best everybody. Wish everybody good, and I wish bad only for COVID. If COVID is good, we cannot be good. If COVID is bad, we can be good. So good for us and bad for COVID, and we will succeed everything, and we will continue to share many of our experience, and then we will prosper from the experiences shared by mutual sharing by us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, one and all. Damandayu team. Next week we meet again. Thank you, Joe.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.